Hello friends, hi, how are you? I hope all are doing very well. So in this time I am going to visit the Mana village, which is considered as a first village of India, which is located 50 to 40 kilometers away from the Indo-China Tibetan border. So I am going, so this is the way, and many more visitors who are coming to visit Badrinath, which is one of the Char Dham of India. So all the persons are definitely to going to visit the Mana village, which is the total 3 to 4 kilometers from the Badrinath temple to Mana village. So I am going to visit the Mana village from Badrinath by walking, by trekking. So right now I am trekking and going to Mana village by walk only, because all the visitors are going and they are booking their taxi and some public transport, but I did not get any public transport in sharing, so that's reason I am going by walk only. So I think I will take a little bit 1 hour time from here. So I am trying and go, and I think also 1 kilometer distance I covered, and still I am going. So let's enjoy with me and learn the facts about the Mana village. Thank you so much.
So we can see the view. Really, it's a very unique view of Mana village, which is visible from here. That is a origin point of the Alaknanda river as well as the Saraswati river, because Saraswati river is visible only in Mana village. That is called as a Swarga Rohini path that was used by the Pandavas and their wife Draupadi. So I am going to show everything in details regarding the Mana village and Swarga Rohini path of Mahabharata. So let's see the view. Really, it's a very unique view. We can see how it is the mountain range which is visible from the here. So I am going slowly because I am going to Mana village from Badrinath by walk only. I think I will take only half an hour to 1 hour time from here, because the total distance from Mana village to Badrinath is 3 to 4 kilometers away from the here. So right now I'm going by trek. So I'm going to explain something about the Mana village. So Mana village is a village which is located in Chamoli district in Uttarakhand on the northern terminus of National Highway 7. Mana village located on the National Highway 7, and Badrinath also located on the National Highway 7. So Mana is considered as the first village in India before the Mana Pass, and is 26 kilometers away from the border of India and Tibet. So the village is situated at a distance of 3 kilometers away from the Hindu pilgrimage site Badrinath, and two places are culturally connected with each other. So the villagers of this village are culturally associated with the activities of Badrinath temples and annual festivals of Matha Murti. So they used to trade with Tibet in earlier days from Mana village. So nowadays there is a small cave in Mana named Vyas cave, and it is believed that Mahasi Ved Vyas composed and wrote Mahabharata in this cave with the help of Lord Ganesha. So I will also go to visit the cave also. That is so amazing cave. So definitely I will show everything regarding the caves. So Mahasi Ved Vyas Naresh and Ganesha wrote the Mahabharata epic, that is called as the longest epic in the world with 2 lakhs verses. So where Ganesha Gufa is also available, because tourists visit both caves regularly near places including. So we can see still I am walking, and let's see, this is a small Lord Shiva temple on the way. So let's see the view of this is the Lord Shiva temple. Om Namah Shivaya, Jai Shiv Shankar. So even in the Mana village, Vasundhara waterfall is also available here. So let's see first the view of the Alaknanda river. We can see the Alaknanda river water is fully visible in green. That is a totally fresh and cold water. So really it's a good moment that we are we are and I am at the point of origin of Alaknanda river because Devprayag is considered as a place meeting confluence of
Hello
the Ganga
friends,
and
good morning
Alaknanda.
everyone. So right now I just reached to the Mana village. So let's see, I am just in front of the entrance of the Mana village, which is located 26 km from the Indo-Tibetan border. So from the Mana valley also. So let's see and learn and lots of things regarding the village of Mana, and I'm going inside the to visit and learn lots of things regarding the village of Mana. So stay with me and learn. So again, so thank you so much.
So I am just in front of the gate of the Mana village. We can see there is a symbol of the gate that is written on the symbol that in first Indian village Mana. So really it's a good moment for me, and really I'm also feeling so excited to visit all over the village parts of the Mana. So definitely I am exploring one by one the point in Mana village, that is the origin point of the village, and lots of places, historical place such as the Vasundhara waterfall, Satopant lake, Bhim pool, Saraswati temple, etc. I will visit there. So it's a very good moment for me, and we can see lots of tourists are coming per day to visit the village. In the winter season the village will be also shut down after the Diwali in the month of November because of the extremely cold weather season, because this village is also comes under the heavy snowfall. So it is believed that the great Pandavas crossed through the Mana on their final journey to heaven. There is a stone bridge called Bhim Pool
So I
near
just
the
reached to the Mana
Saraswati
village,
river,
only
which is
some
said
kilometer
to
distance
have
from here. So which is 26 km away from the Mana border, from the Indo-Tibetan border. So let's see and learn lots of things regarding the village of Mana, which is located only also 2 km to 3 km away from the Badrinath, which is one of the Chardham of India. So Jai Vishnu, Jai Badri. Thank you so much.
So right now I just started my trek to go inside the Mana village, India first village. Before sometimes it was a last village of India, but nowadays the village considered as a first village of India. So apart from that, it is believed that the great Pandavas crossed to a Mana on their final journey to heaven, that is called as a Swarga Rohini, after worshipping and meditating in Badrinath and Kedarnath. So there is a stone bridge called Bhima Pool near the Saraswati river, which is said to have built by Bhima himself to help his wife Draupadi to cross the Saraswati river, which is called Swargarohini, the staircase to heaven. So the final journey is known as Mahaprasthantika Parv, which is said to have their final ascent to the attain salvation. So their wife Draupadi was the first to fail after crossing the Saraswati river. So even the Vasundhara falls, where the Sahdev, one of the Pandavas' brothers, falls and died after Draupadi, also flowed by the Nakul also. So I will explain about the Mahabharata story because I will visit the place also. After crossing the Saraswati river and Bhim bridge, Bhim pool. So right now I am going, and I came here. I completed my 3 km of journey. Still 1 km I have to cover, and I will enter in the village. And there are lots of bridges in the village that I have to trek and cross the.
So I am also so excited to visit everything which is popular in the village, as a being as a first village of India. Before a few years, like 1 year back, it was a last village of India, but nowadays the government declared as a first village of India. So let's explore together with me and stay and learn lots of things about the fact of this village. Thank you so much.
So in reality that we can see, I am also feeling like a heaven and so excited here. So we can see this is the last place where every tourist buses and taxi cabs are coming and standing here.
Entrance of the village Mana. I am going inside the village from this gate. So let's see, this is the entrance and learn lots of things regarding the village. So once again explore and learn the fact. Thank you so much.
So I am entering into the gate, and there is some Sanskrit sloka written about the Jai Mahabir and something regarding the Ved Vyas. So it is the starting point of the Mana village, we can see, and there are lots of stores and woolen cloths also made by the females of Mala by their hand. The persons and females and women of Mana village depends on the stores and woolen clothes. They are also making the woolen clothes by their hands only. So really it is a good, and we can observe the village. There are so many homes available in different shape and just like a village. And this is a Rogpa Hastkali Uni center, means the woolen center, which is the woolen clothes made by the hand. So we can see lots of sweaters, jacket and woolen clothes made by the hand only. So it is very good. Cap is also available here. There are lots of stores, woolen clothes stores, and the way is also little bit typical, but it is good. So we can see, and we can see the 5 Pandavas brother also there, and along with Draupadi, painting made on the houses of the on the wall of the houses. So this is the lane. We can see how it is the lane in Mana village. It is also a very typical lane. So I am in the inside the village in this time. So right now I am going through the Bhim pool because I have to see the Saraswati river and the origin of Saraswati river, which is visible only in Mana village after 500 meter of that and this is the symbol of Bhim bridge, Bhim pool we can see.
Right
So
now
I am
I'm in
going
Mana
slowly
village, and this is one of the most beautiful and ancient temple located in the heart of Mana. So let's see the view of this temple. Really it's also a very unique temple which is so popular here, and it is as a Mahavir temple. So let's see the view of this temple. So let's learn lots of things regarding the village and the temple. So let's see and explore with me. Thank you so much.
So it is also one of the ancient temple in Mana village, Sri Mahavir temple. So really all over tourists who is coming to visit Mana village, also all over tourists are coming, and devotees are seeking the place into this temple also. So let's see, this temple shape is also built in the same style of Kedarnath and Badrinath shape also. We can see some guiders are also explaining regarding the temples with the tourist. So let's see the view of this temple, and I am also feeling so awesome here. So just see the god idol in this temple. Jai Sri Vishnu, Jai Sri Lakshmi Narayan, Jai Sri Mahavir. So really it's a very good temple here also. That is a very unique temple, and right now I am just circling the Om symbol here in front of the temple. I can't forget my memory regarding the Mana village in my life, never, because I got a very good experience here. So Sri Vishnu Lakshmi Narayan ki Jai, Jai Sri Vishnu, Jai Sri Mahavir, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Sri Krishna. So we can see I am praying also that in the Mana village. So again I came and I am going ahead nearby the Bhim pool and Saraswati river. So let's see the view of the village right now. The home of the village is also very small whole village are in different shape, and all homes of the village is so different. And right now, and even the one thing is famous popular, that the Alaknanda river, which is confluence after the Saraswati river, which is flowing from the Mana village. So right now I am just going to see the Bhim pool and Saraswati river and Swargarohini path from the Mana village, and this is a Sangam new point of the Alaknanda and Saraswati river. So let's see, their water is also visible. So really it's a good, and even we can also sit here also, because some chair is also available here where we can sit. And how it is the some small kind of plants, so we can just feel about the plants. Leaves are very soft, so it's a very good trees and plants leaves also, that is